such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream.
Ooh, ice cream.
Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet store. This time, I'm sure I got it right.
Oh no! Troy hurt his arm.
I think he should go see a doctor.
Morphle, morph into an ambulance. Let's go, Morphle. Oh no, it's a traffic jam. Morphle, go over it. Yay! This is great, Morphle, but I have an even better idea. Morphle, morph into a flying ambulance.
Thank you very much for bringing Troy to the hospital, Mila and Morphle.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor too. That way I can help people get better, just like you.
That's very nice, Mila, but I will tell you a secret. It's not just people that I help. I am also the doctor that treats all the mythological creatures that live in and around this city. It would be a great help if I could use this amazing ambulance to visit my next mythological patients.
Yeah, of course.
Our first stop is Starfish Island. Our next patient is the mountain giant.
Look, that's him.
Let's try again, Morphle. How will we ever reach the mountain giant?
I have an idea. Morphle, add a jet engine to the ambulance.
Thank you so much. Morphle was a great...
Oh no!
It looks like Morphle the ambulance caught the flu from one of our patients.
Poor Morphle. Please help Morphle get better, Doctor.
I'll give Morphle some medicine. But the rest is up to you, Mila. Because the most important thing Morphle needs now is love and care.
Daddy and I made you this healthy soup, Morphle. Once upon a time, there was a little red ambulance, and it caught the flu, and it was very sick. But the little red ambulance also... Morphle! Morph into a toy car!
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream!
Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no, the bridge is opening. Morphle, add rockets to the car.
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What? In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
Hello, Mechanic Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow, even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the wrecking bandits.
We are no longer the wrecking bandits. We are now the glue bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits.
tumbling test tubes, it seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation. Seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid. Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station.